These are some good striper, bro.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, this is a good one.
Oh, that's a good one. I see the head shakes. I see the head shakes. Hey, bring him slow. I'm gonna stop the motor for you, okay?
All right.
And just make sure you keep the line tight. You got it. You know how to find him, you got it.
Captain Joe for ooh.
Dangerous one, man. Alright, I'm gonna get the net ready, right?
Alright.
Keep the rod tip high. And you just reel it in slowly. Slow and steady. Go, brother. That's a nice one, actually.
Oh, he's gonna jump. Ooh, well, I've seen his tail.
That's a nice one, man.
Ooh, yeah.
Oh, dude, I'm not even recording. I feel bad. I'm not even recording this. I can't believe it. Oh, that's a good one, man. That's a good one. Bring it right here, alright?
Yep.
When he sees the boat, he runs away. Keep it steady. Keep going. Reel up, reel up. Oh, that's it.
Oh, Captain Joe!
Hey!
Let's go! That's my
Oh
GoPro.
my God.
Damn! Oh, let me get some line.
Oh, that's a... It felt heavy, right?
Yeah.
You didn't know it'd be this big.
No, I didn't.
Hey. That's a damn good photo. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Yeah. It's almost ready. There he goes.
Hey.
Yo.
Let's go, brother.